Welcome back to Explore Error. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an applied effect from a video in Capcut. The process is simple and easy. Here is my video. I was editing it in Capcut and I applied an effect to this video. Let me play the video so you can see the effect clearly. As you can see, I added this effect to my video. But after applying it, I realized that it does not look as good as I expected. So now I want to remove this effect from my video. How can I do that? It's actually very simple. For this, I have two methods. The first method is to tap on your video and then take a look at the top right side. From this window, you need to select Video and then choose Basic. After selecting it, you will see the Effect option. This is the effect that is applied to my video. If I tap on it and turn it off, you can see the applied effect has been removed from my video. If I play the video from the beginning, you will not see any effect anymore. The next method is if you want to completely delete the effect instead of just turning it off. For that, tap on your video and do a right-click with your mouse. Here you will see the option Edit Effects. Simply click on it and you will see my effect again. Now do a right-click with your mouse and click on the option Delete. Now let me play the video and take a final look at it. You can see the effect has been deleted successfully from my video. And this was the main way you can remove an applied effect from a video in Capcut.